Hey, good afternoon folks, welcome to Peepaw's Shop. I got a brand new product to show you from NOCO. They sent this to me, asked me to review it. It's brand new for them. It's certainly brand new for me. It's very well packaged though, I'll tell you that. This is the lithium air inflator. They call it the NOCO AL5. So let's see what we got here. Again, nice box. Not really that interested in the box, though, are we? Look here. Look at the packaging on this thing. Look at this. Okay, so like I said, this is a brand new opening for me. Brand new opening for you. There it is. Wow. That's pretty sharp looking. You got your hose around here, so it fits in there. Got a couple of valves back here, one for like sports balls and stuff, and for something else you might need to inflate right there. And we've got an on-off switch. Got some features there. So let's see what else we got in the bag. We got well, they gave us a bag to store it in. I like that. It'll store in that nice bag. We appreciate that. What we got here? We got, well, that's going to be our fitting for our tires there, vehicle tires. And then we got a charging port because it's got to be charged. And there they go. Nice little book. Okay, sealed up book. The box is empty. That's what's in the box. Look at there. Turn it on. Get some digital references. And got a light on it in case you're out there in the dark trying to air something up. How about that? And then of course here's your air button over here. This is where you'll set your pressure up or down. 4 psi there. We'll run that thing up. 100. 26 psi right now. 130. 130 is what it goes up to. Y'all can see that right there. Again, there's your hose. There's some fittings on the back. So, hey, again, brand new product, solid made, feels good in your hands. You'll fit in a bag, slip under the seat of your truck, or at least for me, so that it's always readily available. Hey, if you're looking for a portable, digital, chargeable, rechargeable air compressor, y'all give this a look. In the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.